In life, what you don't know certainly can hurt you. And unfortunately, many people are unaware that nearly every negative item on your credit report can be legally and permanently removed. It doesn't matter if it's a tax lien, charge offs, repossessions, collections, a foreclosure, late payments, even a bankruptcy can be legally and permanently removed. How is this possible? Anything can be deleted from your credit report if it does not comply with consumer protection laws. There are nearly 100 different state and federal laws that most people have never heard of. Laws that were created to protect us from creditors and the three major credit bureaus. At Vivix Credit Solutions, we're masters at discovering inaccuracies on the negative items on your credit report and using consumer protection laws to quickly and permanently remove them. Accuracy is essential in order to comply with consumer protection laws, and sadly, nearly everyone's credit report contains many mistakes. Discovering those mistakes is our specialty. When our team of experts begins to comb through your credit report, often we discover mistakes and violations of the law. We see reasons why your charge offs, repossessions, collections violate the law and need to be permanently deleted. We lead the credit repair industry with our expert approach to finding negative items on your credit, researching which laws they do not comply with, and getting them permanently removed. If you're skeptical about credit repair companies or had a bad experience in the past, let me put your mind completely at ease. Below in the review section, you'll discover dozens and dozens of real people, just like you, who once had unfavorable credit. They were so happy with our services that they agreed to go on video and give us an honest review. Listen to their stories, but more importantly, listen to their results. Click or tap the button below to give us a call or to get a free consultation today.